Hi. Okay, let's go ahead and look around our course a little bit, learn how to navigate it. You've just clicked on this video, Site Navigation. Let's go ahead and start from the beginning here. When the screen that you first get into in our course is the home page, and then we have a lot of links on this home page: Netiquette rules, citation resources, student support, NMSUA accessibility services, Canvas accessibility statements, additional software, NMSUA student handbook, and then resources and references. So you can go ahead and click on any of those particular links and it'll take you out to other resources. Now, on our page, you've clicked on Start Here, Course Welcome, and then here's the link to the student support page. Also a little bit of information about students with disabilities. And then we have this course learning modules block on each one of our pages. Now as we scroll through this, this is what I would like to do. If we go to the computer concepts page, for instance, and you'll see the structure of each one of these modules are very similar. Regarding computer concepts, we have our modules, our course modules, the title of the particular module, the dates that we will be working on module assignments within. We have directions, how to complete the project assignments, how to complete skills, how to complete online quizzes, how to complete the discussions. We always have course goals and module goals listed. We have our module resources, instructional video on the left and student data files on the right. So again, you can go ahead and purchase a text that is a used text that doesn't have data files with it. We have all those available within our course. This section talks about assignment grading. The next section talks about how to start. For instance, read chapter 1 from part 1 and so on and so on. Then we have the assignments for each particular module listed. And you'll just go through the chapter 1 assignment, chapter 1 project 3, information processing cycle, and then submit this particular file to Canvas. Okay, and I'll show you where you will submit those at. Okay, that's what that looks like. We'll scroll back to the top. Now, Windows, Web, and Email is very similar to the Computer Concepts module page. Word is where it starts to be a little bit different. Remember, Word is in Part 2 of our textbook. Part 2, Chapter 6 and 7, and the days we'll be working on Word will be Tuesday, June 14th through Thursday, June 30th. And then all those assignments are due Thursday, June 30th. Once again, we have directions, goals, resources, again, instructional videos, and student data files this time. So you can go ahead and download those student data files and use those in your projects for Word. Now, when we look at the videos, creating a folder structure for student data files and assignments, okay, a very short video about how to do that, how to download and save student data files, so you'll need to review that before you actually download those student data files, how to submit assignments, and then how to complete discussion assignments. So those are all videos. The last two you would have already looked at in in our first Computer Concepts module. We have assignment grading, how to start, and our Word assignments. And with each one of the applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access, we have a project, an end of module project. The dates possible, I need to change that due date, my apologies. That due date will be Thursday, June 30th. Okay, but within the project itself, we'll have project instructions. We usually have an example of some kind or a video. We have our project objectives, and then these are the instructions for doing the project. Create a new Word document, some information about the title page or some requirements, criteria for the title page. Page 2 is part of the body, what information should be included, and then some additional steps that you'll need to complete. Each step is worth so many points, and that's what your project will be graded on. Now, let's go to Excel, and then PowerPoint and Access follow the same structure. Okay, Part 2, Chapters 8 and 9, July 1 through July 18, discussions, goals, resources, student data files, assignment grading, how to start, the assignments. Again, remember that due date will be different. My apologies. And then project description, and then Excel project video instructions. This is how you should go ahead and complete that particular project. Objectives, and then the steps to complete the project. Okay, so once again, each one of these modules follow this very same format that we've just looked at. Further on, we'll have announcements in our course. We'll have the syllabus, another video specifically for the syllabus, and that's what this will look like. I think we're good on that. I'll just go ahead and run through that and put a video out there. We have our modules and the assignments within those modules. Our specific assignments can be found here, and it'll load, and then you can go ahead and just submit under these particular assignments. Review the video. We'll have our discussions, and we have several. The short biography is what we'll start with. You can contact your instructor. The best way to contact me, though, is through the email and Canvas messaging. And then 3 discussions: which OS is better, computer and personal information security, and then contrasting and comparing office suites. That is due near the end of our course. Okay, so with that, we have grades that you'll go into and check out what your grades are. And we have student help, and then some information about course materials. So I think that regarding the navigation, I'm not sure what else I really need to add to that. But I think that'll cover it. If you have any questions or comments, please contact me. Thank you.